Hello friends and welcome. I'm Sarah Liz. I'm so excited you're here. I have an exclusive kit to share with you, and this one is completely free. It's called Dapper Gentleman, and it is an all occasions masculine themed card making kit with sentiments, digital paper, ephemera, all the good things. It's over 50 pages, and what I love most is that it's my freebie for the Scrapbooking Fun Summit. I love doing summits. I release free printable kits all the time, but the first few pages are free and then the rest of the pages are part of paid membership. And I know that not everybody can afford that or wants to do that. And so in a summit, I can make a big old kit. I can give away every single page to every single person completely free. So this is going to be June 3rd through June 7th, the Wednesday through Sunday. My class is on Friday. To get the free kit, first, you need a free ticket. So linked in the description box below is a link over to the summit page, and you just sign up. And then the day the summit begins, they'll email you a link to go see the classes for that day. On Friday, you'll click the link, and on my speaker page, there's a link right below the video to take you to my freebie. It is so much fun. We're going to make 2 cards, a quick and easy flat card that is great for throwing together at the last minute for all your masculine card giving occasions. And then the second card has an interactive rotating mechanism that is wafer thin. It will fit in your envelope with no bulk, no problem. I love this one. I can't wait to share it with you. Let's take a look at the kit. So this is a masculine kit I'm calling Dapper Gentleman, and it's really big. There's just shy of 50 pages of unique content. And then at the back, I have about 10 pages of solid colored printable cardstock in case you want it to match exactly. So it will do that. On this first page, you get a general supply list. Guys, it's like circle dies or punches and a printer and the kit. Then over here, I've listed my specific supplies in case I get questions about that, so it's easy to find things. At the bottom, links to more free kits, the YouTube playlist of all my free printables right there, and then the URL to get you back to how you got the kit in the first place. So if you print this and then you can't find the file, makes it really easy to get back to. Page 2 has our card sketch, so we'll make 1 card following the sketch up top with those measurements. We'll use printed papers from the kit, but we're going to try to step them up just a little bit. And then for our second card, we'll do an interactive card. So there's full instructions here and a diagram to show you how to put that together. And then this page is not unique to this kit. This is part of a new set of printables I have that are just foundations for interactive cards. So this is paper mechanism number 1, the circle hub. Sometimes they're just called hubs. And this is going to create a rotating mechanism for us. I have it in 2 different sizes, but there's also instructions up here in case you want to do a different size. These are really easy to make on your own, but this will get you started, especially if you're not super familiar with interactive cards. Then we get to my 2 favorite pages, our actual Dapper Gentleman. These are 2.5 by 4 3/4. So the size is up here. And then just in case you don't have that sketch handy, I've left you measurements for your mat layers as well. You'll use the tick marks to cut those out. So we have our grizzly bear, an otter. I tell you what, I have just recently watched Zootopia for the first time with my kids, and I am now obsessed, more obsessed with otters. I already was. They have a special pocket where they keep their favorite rock. I mean, what's not to love? A turtle, and then we have our deer over here, or our buck. Then our little nerdy hedgehog, a giraffe, a bulldog, and a koala. In fact, I might zoom in on that koala, make him a little bit bigger for you. Then we have our sentiments. I have 2 pages like this one with these 3" by 1" sentiments. And you can see there's a lot of space right above those sentiments if you use the tick marks. We have 2 separate fonts here with "You're the best," "Thinking of you," "Just a note," "You did it," "Happy retirement," "Thank you," "Congratulations," and "Happy birthday." And so if you didn't want to make masculine cards, this is a really great page for you. You can print this on colored cardstock if you want to. Use whatever stamps and dies you have in your stash. Then we get some funny sentiments. So these are different. On the left, these stand alone. Older, wiser, and weirder. Silver fox coming in hot. Beers to you. You're not old, you're vintage. Happy birthday, nerd. Still a grumpy old man. You've still got it. To your next adventure. On the second side, these have an outside sentiment and then an inside sentiment. So we're going to look at those in just a minute. But I wanted to show you that this page and the page that we were just looking at come like this, where you can just print them on whatever color you want, but you also get them with colored backgrounds that will perfectly match the kit. So we have this sort of light taupey color, a muted teal, a mustard yellow, and a chocolate brown. And then this page coordinates with our funny sentiments over here on the right. So we have, you're only as old as you remember you are. Lucky for you, I like older men. May you live to be so old your driving terrifies people. You're looking quite sharp for someone born in the 1900s. You still look 27-ish. From a distance, in the dark. Aged to perfection like some big round stinky cheese. Another year to add to your generous collection. Inside every old person is a young person wondering what the hell happened. And then the final four here can be mixed and matched with lots of different sentiments, but it's sort of a fun insight for you. Wishing you an incredible day of celebration. I guess you're pretty cool. Woot woot, let's get this party started. Made you look. There is a printed rectangle that will show when you use the tick marks to cut this out. This is going to be what is revealed under our rotating mechanism. And so that gives us a decorative element that's just one layer instead of stacking that up with a matte layer and then we're creating potential catch points, all right? And so these two go together, but if you don't want to create the interactive card, I also have those first 8 funny insides as an A2 panel. The sentiments are centered on the panel, so if you want to trim them down on all 4 sides, maybe 1/8 of an inch off, then you get a lovely little border around that as well. So we have 2 pages of those inside sentiments. I love this. From a distance, in the dark. I can't help myself, you guys. After our sentiments, we have a bunch of patterned paper, and these will print at a full 8.5 by 11. Most printers cut off a little border around the edge, but if you have borderless printing and you turn that on, it will go all the way to the edges. I love this one with sort of that watercolor that matches the rest of our kit, but then we also get this little geometric pattern in the background. Here we have another watercolor, and we've got sort of a faux gold happening here and there. A lot of times I'll go over that with a little like gold watercolor to give it some actual shine. Then brush strokes and 3 of our primary colors. The background on this one is sort of a cream, and then our bottles really coordinate with the colors in our pattern. And we've got beer and whiskey and all those fun things. And then of course, some lovely critters. Here we get a fox that goes really well with our foxy sentiment. And this comes on 3 backgrounds. So this one is just a white background, but then here we've got sort of that muted teal watercolor background and a muted gray watercolor background. We wouldn't be dapper without some fancy hats and ties, a little pocket watch and cufflink situation. So this one will come on a white background. If you have the paid ticket, then you'll get all of these digital images as resizable image files with a transparent background. So you could put this on a different background if you wanted. But here we have white, muted teal, taupe, a lighter taupe, mustard yellow, and then we move on to another one. I always try to include some patterns in our kits that can be used independently and that have a lot of uses. And so this one, we get a lovely sort of watercolor, acorn, leafy situation. I know it's gonna be summer when this kit comes out, but hang on to this for fall. The colors coordinate with our kit. We also have it with that muted teal background, taupe, our lighter taupe, mustard yellow. A tone on tone goes great with everything. I'm not always the best at mixing patterns on the same card. And so this is really just a white pattern on that chocolate brown. And then you get a sort of lighter brown, almost like a toffee, mustard yellow, gray, muted teal, but this is a darker version of that same tone we had before. And then our lightest taupe. Can I tell you, I almost broke my computer making this one. Every triangle on here is an individual element that I had to place. And that was so much that Canva, which is where I designed my kits, was like, whoa, 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 the file's too big. but I love it so much. So we have sort of a steely gray triangle and then a few little scattered teal triangles. This is the same, but the other one had white triangles and this one has that sort of lightest taupe in there. This is steely gray with mustard yellow and then a white background, and then steely gray with mustard yellow and our lightest muted teal background. So if the color palette wasn't clear yet, this is it. Okay, there are some variations, some colors in between these that coordinate really well that you'll find in the patterned papers. But for the most part, this is the palette I was working from in the beginning. And so there are 2 pages like this where you can print out, I did borderless on mine, but you can print out the 8 colors on just 2 pages. But if there's a particular color that you really want more of, or you don't already own a solid colored cardstock that's similar, you can also print out the entire kit as 8.5 by 11 printed colored cardstock. Okay, so there are your browns. I did these with my border. Honestly, I avoid borderless printing if I can help it, because what happens is that then the ink ends up kind of all over on the inside of your printer. And so on this page, you can see I have some little smudges, and a lot of times that comes from doing a lot of borderless printing and then needing to run a cleaning cycle. So just know that if you see smudges like these from your printer, run a cleaning cycle. I have mustard yellow, our lightest teal, and then a mid-tone teal, and then our darkest teal. Okay. All right, my friends, be sure to grab your free ticket from the description box below. We'll make 2 cards, including this interactive card. The summit runs from June 3rd through Sunday, June 7th, and my class is on Friday. So once you get your free ticket, you'll log in on Friday using the link in your email. Go to my class page, and then below the video, you'll find a link to grab that freebie. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I will see you next time.